Welcome. As we have seen in the previous lecture, some of the important topics from physical geography. Coming on next, today we would be talking about important topics from human geography. Now, as we proceed with human geography, what we need to understand, as I said before as well, human geography and economic geography is relatively theoretical topic. You can read from the book, understand it, and have a conceptual clarity. And these are really scoring when it comes to objective pattern, because a lot of things you have to simply memorize, and the list we have done it comprehensively for thought, the names of the authors, their contribution and their specific books, and this to which country do they belong. So these are kind of common questions from the section on geographical thought, which are often asked. So at least 3 to 4 questions from this section are asked every time, so cover these carefully. Now, human geography, as I said, the various research paradigms are important. So positivism, post-positivism, interpretativism are some of the concepts which we have covered here. So this is a newly added topic in the syllabus, must to cover. The next is the Hartshorne debate, Schaffer-Hartshorne debate, again an important topic. The difference between areal synthesis and regional synthesis, area differentiation and regional synthesis, again an important topic. Determinism, possibilism, one of the very common and obvious topics, but here you need to know the scholars, the geographers, their contribution, the country they belong to, and their famous quotes. Okay, so those are the things that are commonly asked. And then again, under the various approaches, behavioral and humanistic approach are the most important ones. Then we have classified the thought section into ancient, medieval and modern. So we have put the Indian contribution, the Greek and Roman contribution, then we have discussed the Arab contribution, and the modern contribution includes the French, German, American and so on. So these are again theoretical topics, lot to memorize but a lot is scoring. So if you have a good capability to memorize and a good time, spend definitely on this and you would actually find it pretty useful, right? So coming on next, we have economic geography, trade blocks, the basic world resource, their distribution and world models. Very, very important topic that we have covered here, right? Then agricultural geography, diversification of crop, the various methods of diversification, the various formulas are important. Sometimes there is a direct question on formula and there are 4 options given, which one is the correct formula. There could be values, you have to find out a quick answer for those. So just practice questions on crop diversification, really, really important. Different scholars and their different views. Then the theory, von Thunen theory, the obvious theory and the extension. So Alonso's extension, the Sinclair's extension and so on. Similarly, in the industrial geography, we have Weber and the theories related to Losch, which are important, but other industrial theories are again important. But industrial geography, the most important section is obviously the theories. Transport, the network analysis is the most important part of it, and some of the mathematical models and their world contribution. In trade, comparative cost advantage is one of the major topics. Population geography, since we have the last census, that is 2011, so basically 2011 census is the census that forms the basis. Every time you have 2 to 3 questions which are asked from it, so just cover that carefully and do a quick decadal analysis for the major facts. Even you can have few questions from NSS, the National Sample Survey, of the recent figures, right? The next is settlement geography. The urban land use model is a really important topic. Then central place theories, urban sprawl, the terms like mega city, edge city, satellite city, multipolar, meta city, what is the difference between those? The theories of origin of town, the Gordon-Childe theory is one of the important theories that is asked these days. Urban planning, garden city concept, sustainability, again an important topic. Now, under social geography, tribe, caste, religion, the various major tribes of India that we would cover in Indian geography. So here the world classification, the major features and major parameters are discussed, and an overview of the terms. Similarly, the same for the cultural geography as well. These two are minor topics, but yes, if there is a professor who is designing the questions, who is an expert in social geography, definitely there can be a huge number of questions from this. Political geography or geopolitics become a very important topic for the coming years, because we have a lot of political upheavals, the Ukraine-Russia crisis, then we have the Israel issue, the Hamas issue. So all of these are important, and therefore theories related to political geography really important. Geopolitics of oil, geopolitics mathematics of energy, again an important topic. Then electoral geography, since it was an election year, becomes extremely important for this time. Under regional geography, you have to focus on the various approaches of the regional theory, the regional growth theories, and the planning and development. So the concepts under India, we would understand those given under Planning Commission and then under Niti Aayog. So top down, bottom up approach have to be discussed. The regional hierarchy, regional pattern, and the regionalization is again important. So as I said, this is a theoretical topic. So if you go on to this section from history of geographical thought and the sections on human and economic geography, I would recommend that you practice questions as much as you can. So this is the section where you read the theory and practice, that's it. Because more than that, lectures, definitely if you find some sections where you are stuck, you can refer the lectures on those, but more or less the past year practice questions and the theory would give you a sound foundation for this section. Thank you.